Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be doing a tutorial on how I draw realistic hair using colored pencil. If you want more tutorials like this, then do let me know in the comment section. For this tutorial I'll be using Faber-Castell Polychromos colored pencils and Strathmore Bristol 400 series smooth surface paper. You don't necessarily need this exact same materials to start practicing. Just use the materials that you already have. If you want to know more about the materials that I use, then I have made a complete video on that covering all different materials that I have used. Do check it out if you are wondering which color pencil or paper you should buy. I have made this sketch using a light pencil. I'm starting with a light brown color as the base layer. Then I go by layering different colors over one another. While drawing hair or anything for that matter, I would like to start from a top region and continue towards the bottom portion. Especially when you draw complex portions like hair, it's better to complete the drawing in different sections. I have used dark colors like black and red to make each section distinctly visible. Since it's a ginger red hair, most of the colors used are brown, different shades of orange and red. If you want to use black to darken the hair strands, rather than applying it directly on it, try layering it on top of similar colors like brown so that your drawing looks more real. If you use black straight away, then it can make your drawing look very flat and unreal. Here I am using the same technique for different sections of my drawings. While making complicated drawings like this, where a high level of attention is required, it's necessary that you keep looking at your reference more frequently. While adding the different details, the drawing may look a bit weird and confusing, but in the end, all this will come together well. Talking about the details, it's very important that you use a wide range of colors to make your drawings. I have used a variety of colors from light browns, orange and different shades of red and crimson and some mid-tones like the Venetian red. When the hair is divided into many clumps and not into a set of loose strands, it's better to outline the clumps using a darker color and fill each of them separately. This way, you can easily get different hair patterns right and bring more detail into your drawing. Do the same layering technique on each section of the hair. In the description, I will provide the names of all the different colors that I have used in this particular drawing. I am not just using orange colors, I am using very natural tones like the burnt ochre and the burnt sienna. In some portions, I am also using some bright yellows which is used to draw blonde hair. When you want to layer different colors, you can switch or alternate between different colors in any given order. It's not necessary that you follow a same set of pattern all the time. You can go from light to dark colors while blending or the opposite as you wish. While adding details, do not forget to leave the white regions in between as such, or you will have to erase them later, which can be a bit of a challenge. You may also use a knife to carve these fine white lines in between. So make sure that you do not rush this process. And you need to take this slow. While drawing hair, it's a common tendency to mess it up and not spend enough time on layering different colors. Such drawings really come off as awful in the end, and the impatience of the person is clearly evident in the results. I have spent around 3 hours in real time to complete this drawing, and still it could have been improved a lot. You don't really need to give the exact same detail to each part of your drawing as in the reference. It's fine if you have messed up a little and made some mistakes here and there. Once you have filled all the sections of the hair, look at your reference and see for yourself if there is enough depth and contrast in your drawing. If not, try darkening some of the regions. Use the black color wisely and give shadows and depth into different parts of your drawing. Yet another detail you can add is to make sure the transition between the colors are gradual and smooth. Keeping a check on the pencil's sharpness will help you improve at this. Another thing that you can do is to control the pressure that you apply onto the leads of the pencil. This can be done by varying the positions that you hold the pencil by. And finally, add some loose curvy strands of hair coming out from the sides to make it look more natural. While drawing this, ensure smooth pencil movement to get the right curves in the hair. Use a light orange color and a mid-brown color to do this. Now that's how I draw hair using colored pencils. If this tutorial have been helpful to you, consider subscribing to my channel for more future content, and I'll see you in the next video.